Moto Ventures. Oh man. My speed triple looking all good. You know she's a little dirty. Oh my gosh. Justin, if you ever want to sell, just, man, this one looks so good. My first,
it's for sale now.
Oh, okay. What are you asking for? Dang, it's lighter than I thought. What is it? Wet? How much wet? Wait.
It's like, I want to say 520 or so.
Really?
Yeah, so it's not a super light bike, but
It feels like it's going to be pretty nimble around the corners, though.
yeah.
You got the road files on. Oh, man, this is, I like these. These are serious.
2 tires.
Oh, man. Dang. Ooh, where's it at? Oh. This is beautiful, man. Oh, man. So what's the horsepower and torque in these?
I want to say 120.
Yeah.
And I think the torque was low, like 70 or something like that.
Oh, okay. For 1200, that is kind of low. Still a great looking bike. Design-wise, they just hit it. Oh, man. Love the quad locks. Cool. All right. Hope you don't mind, guys. I got you on camera. We're doing a little YouTube thing. Is that okay or not? I can block you out. Okay. Try to do my travels with me, and then as I do maintenance and stuff, I'm just trying to.
One of these things. Justin, y'all have to go easy on me.
I don't ride that bad.
Can't wait to hear the sound. Oh man, that thing is awesome. Carbon is just gorgeous. Is this one of those where this is the gas tank or not?
No.
Right, the gas back there. Right. Oh my gosh. So that's what the airbox up there. Still braided. Brembos. Man. Ooh. That sounds awesome.
Take a lap around.
Alright.
We should probably top off.
What?
We should probably top off, get gas before we do our route.
Okay.
Yeah, just to make sure. I don't have a working gas gauge. I actually need a new instrument for this one. Oh man, she sounds so good. How many miles you put on her?
75.
75 miles?
7,500.
100. Oh, 100. Okay. How long did you had it?
3 years.
3 years? Yeah, it's pretty upright.
Very different geometry.
Yeah. It's fast.
That clutch is
Yeah.
Oh.
aggressive.
Well, him coming off a big adventure bike, that's going to feel quite different. So, you made the switch. What made you say, all right, I'm going to go from the FTR to the Bobber?
Oh, just like, I wasn't in the market for a bike.
Oh.
And then I saw this picture. I was just like, I just love the look
Fell in love. Yeah.
And the same thing with FTR. I wasn't really in the market, but I saw it in the showroom. I was like, that needs to be in my life.
The bike passion, I get it, man.
Yeah.
Okay,
You ready?
that is a very different geometry than what I'm used to. It's so much shorter. The front is
Yeah.
so
Oh.
much closer than any of the other things I'm used to riding, so it feels It feels quick. It feels like I'm right up on top of it first.
All right. All right. This is good. This is good. Beautiful day. So warm.